What up? Big Kirk 916, Muscle Up. This is my car channel where I talk about nothing but cars. And today I'm out here at the I just had a brain fart. I'm out here at the Good Guys, Scottsdale, and just have a lot of the top cars from the previous Good Guys show. It's going to be here. So we're going to take a stroll, look at some cool cars, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. We got the 12 Air. This is the Kendig car that won the Riddler. It looks so much better outside, man. Man, that thing is ridiculous, man. They said it was like $4 million.
Something like that, yeah. They're building, I don't know how many they're building, but I think they're on like 12 already.
I think this is the only aluminum body coupe, though. Remember, everything else is fiberglass.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Look at that. God, I think it's pretty. Wow. V12. Beautiful car, huh? The 69 Charger is ridiculous too. Man, this thing is nice. Wow. Man. This one battled the builders. That thing is sick. Yeah.
But it was still a 68.
59 Apollo. How you doing? Good. Man, it's beautiful, man.
Pretty sweet, eh? Yeah, it's on the side. Together here. Good luck with that.
...1978 Jeep Cherokee Retro. Got a nice Camaro over here. Oh, this is clean. Got the Recaros in here, 6-speed, Holly dash. Nice body work on it. It's got the, looks like the not the Kindig, but maybe the, what is that? Ring Brothers, I think, handles on it. Flush glass. This is a clean Camaro. Flush mount bumpers, Bayer brakes. This Mustang is hot too. Check out the exhaust on it. It got some big boy exhaust on it. Take a look inside. Inside looks pretty original. It's clean. 69 Mach 1, and it's got the newer motor, so it looks like it's old school, but it's got the new get down in it. Wow, this thing is badass.
But he's got the side mounts, but it looks like
It's not even it's clean. Is that just a small block, you think, or is that a LF dressed up as a small block?
I think it's a small block because of the way it's got the two pieces together in the middle, right? Because I think the big block,
you're right,
on the headers.
Yeah. The nice C10. How you doing?
How are you doing?
Got the LS swap. Is this a 64?
63.
63. He's got the 100 spokes on there.
Got the 6x9s in the rear deck.
6.3. You can't go wrong with this. Clean. Got a nice Bronco right here. Thing is clean. For the Bronco guys out there. Nice interior in the thing. Coyote. Got the cover on it. Got a nice stance on it. Got a bunch of nice Broncos out here today. Kind of take your pick. All of them are clean. It's clean too. got a 57 Bel Air 210. Man, this thing is clean. Beautiful car. TMI interior. Oh, the 69 GTO is a beast. Man. Got the LT4, 650 horse. Oh man, this thing is nice. Let's take a peek inside.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, excuse me. Clean. It's a clean drop GTO. Man, that thing is nice. LSX. Beautiful. What is this? 64? Clean. Malibu.
You have the throttle body here, and this is electronic. So when you hit the pedals, electronic pedals.
Never get tired of looking at this car, you guys. It's got the SVT motor. Man, that thing is clean. '67 SVT. So this Rolls Royce right here is killing the game, man. These guys are from Louisiana. It's got an Art Morrison chassis, but take a look at this engine setup. Oh my God, LS3, 6L80E transmission, a 61 Rolls Royce. This thing is badass. That's a clean Chevelle. Got a Pro Charger on it. Blueprint engines. DeWitt's radiator. Like an aftermarket chassis. This paint job is cherry. Got the spoiler on top. Air brakes. Recaros. These gauges are sick. Check out the gauges. Nice interior. I like the inserts too. Cloth inserts. Cars out here today. Good Guys on a Saturday. I might have to double back Sunday to catch all the cars because I'm running out of battery. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, share, like the channel, muscle up, and go to BigHerc916.com to pick you up some merch.
Are you tired of smelling funky? Have you lost your ass? Go to BigHerc916.com and get your nutsack run.
Don't forget to stop by the Big Herc 916 store and pick you up a sticker for your car, or a patch, or a sticker for your laptop, or maybe a beanie, or read one of the many books that Big Herc 916 has authored. You know how we do it.